Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in this session we shall start with the integration of some particular functions. It is a very simple concept here that we shall observe here. Now here we will study nearly up to 9 formulas, okay, and these 9 formulas, the derivations are important. Out of these 9, one formula will be asked in your annual exam fixed for 5 marks along with its problem, okay, along with its related problem here, okay. That means the formula whatever we are deriving, that will be asked for 3 marks, 3 plus 2 1 formula example will be there. Now we shall come back to our examples, okay, come back to our formulas. Now here how we have to solve it. So here the first formula we can observe that 1 divided by a square plus x square we have. We know that tan inverse of x, differentiation is 1 divided by 1 plus x square here, or integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. That is integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx equal to what we have? Tan inverse of x we have. In the same manner, that particular thing we shall observe here. That is integration of 1 divided by, if I take a square common ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that is we will have here x square by a square into dx I will get. Now I will take here a square common, which is equal to, so before that let us take I is equal to, okay, let us take I is equal to. So here that implies 1 by a square integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square by a square into dx. Now here I will do the substitution method here, which is equal to 1 by a square integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x by a whole square, okay, into dx. Here x by a equal to t I will take. So what we get here, which is equal to put x by a equal to t. That implies dx equal to a into dt, a into dt. These together values we will substitute here. So what we get, which is equal to 1 by a square integration of 1 divided by 1 plus what we have, x by a means it is t square. Now here dx equal to what we have, a dt, that we shall substitute a into dt, which is equal to, now here I will take a common outside, that means 1 by a is remaining part, a square. Here what we have, 1 divided by 1 plus t square into dt. Now what is this? Integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx means tan inverse of x. In the same manner, integration of 1 divided by 1 plus t square andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tan inverse of t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, which is equal to tan inverse of t plus an integral constant, see 1 by a is remaining, which is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of t means what we have? T means x by a plus an integral constant c. That is nothing but your required result. So therefore what formulas we have, which is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus an integral constant c. That is a required formula. It is a very important formulas. So there are nearly up to 9 formulas of the same kind here. Now we shall move with the second problem. The second derivation is, first of all we shall prove all the derivations, then afterwards we can move to the concerned problems. Second problem, that is a derivation, integration of 1 divided by x square minus a square into dx. Integration of 1 divided by x square minus a square dx. Dear students, there are two methods to solve this. One is by making use of partial fractions, or directly also you can solve it. So we shall solve it directly here. Let us take I is equal to integration of 1 by 2a. I will multiply and divide by 2 here, x square minus a square dx. Now here 2a means I can write it as a plus a, which is equal to 1 by 2a integration of a plus x minus x I will take divided by x square minus a square I will take. What I am doing here, 2a means a plus a, adding and subtracting x minus x. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು 2a ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈಗೇನದ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 by 2a integration of, now denominator what we have, x square minus a square. So in the same format I will write on the numerator also, that is x plus a, here minus x plus a, therefore I will take minus common, x minus a I will get whole divided by x square minus a square means x minus a into x plus a into dx. Now here x plus a divided by whole thing and x minus a divided by the whole thing. So now what we get here 1 by 2a integration of this term divided by whole thing means what we get here 1 divided by x minus a I will get here, okay, minus of this term divided by both of the terms x minus a get cancelled, the remaining part is x plus a into dx I will get. Next thing is we have to just integrate it. Integrating andre enagutte nodri 1 by 2a, okay. So now what we get here that is 1 by 2a integration of 1 divided by x minus a, that is nothing but log of x minus a minus of what we have 1 divided by x plus a means log of x plus a integration, that is nothing but a 1 by x annan. 1 by x integration means log x, okay, plus an integral constant c. Now here what I can take is 1 by 2a into log of log a minus log b, that is nothing but here log a minus log a divided by log b, log x by a plus x plus a here, plus an integral constant c, that is nothing but our required result, and that is the formula also. So what formulas we get 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus an integral constant c, that is nothing but your required result. Very very simple and easy concept here. Next is the third problem. Now we are having x square minus a square we had learned. Now we will learn the reverse, that is a square minus x square, that is third one integration of 1 divided by a square minus x square into dx. Remember one thing, 1 divided by a square plus x square and 1 divided by x square plus a square both are same, okay, both are same and we are having the same formulas. Now here what I will take is let I is equal to, I will take I is equal to, here also I have to take I here. I means again I will do here multiply and divide by 2a divided by a square minus x square dx. Now here what I can do is again same a, that is 2a means I can write it as 1 by 2a into a plus x minus x whole divided by a square minus x square, a square minus x square. This a square minus x square I can write as a plus x, a minus x na ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 1 by 2a then integration of a plus x plus a minus x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು divided by a minus x into a plus x into dx. Now the next step is 1 by 2a integration of a plus x divided by these two terms. What we get 1 divided by a minus x ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Then plus of a minus x divided by these two things means a plus x into dx. ಈಗ ಏನದ ನಾವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 by 2a integration of, here integration of a minus x we have. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 divided by a minus x equal to, here you can take it as a minus x equal to t ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus dx equal to dt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ a minus x equal to t minus dx ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ minus dt ಉಳಿತದೆ, that is minus log t I will have. t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು a minus x, ಓಕೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ log of a minus x. Why I am getting minus here? Minus because we are having the term as a minus sign here. Plus of log of a plus x here. Plus an integral constant c. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು log a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus log b. Log a minus log b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ log a by b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what we get here, that is equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus an integral constant c. That is nothing but our required result. So therefore what formulas we have, 1 divided by a square minus x square dx equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus an integral constant c we have. That is nothing but your required formula here. Okay, dear students, these three formulas, 1 divided by a square plus x square or x square plus a square, both are same. 1 divided by x square minus a square means x minus a will have the top numerator. A square minus x square means a plus x at the numerator will have. Now we have to compare the formulas and we have to memorize here, remember here. Okay, dear students. So before going to the next problems, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us start the next derivation here. So now the next particular function is 1 divided by a square minus x square we have. Now let us take I is equal to, let I equal to, I will take it as 1 divided by root of a square minus x square into dx. Here trigonometric formulas we have to make use here. What trigonometric formulas I can use? For example, if I put here, substitution method I have to do here. If I put here a square minus, in the place of x, if I substitute a sin theta means x square means a square sin square theta agate adu. A square common tondre ಏನು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ 1 minus sin square, okay, a square into 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square means we will have cos square, root of cos square and cos. Here a square root a barutte. In that manner we can eliminate the root here. In that manner we can derive the formula here. Okay. Now what substitution I can take here? Put x equal to a into sin theta. Okay. That implies dx equal to what we have, a into cos theta d theta we will get. Now here from this what is the theta value? Theta is equal to x by a agate. Okay, that we shall see afterwards, which is equal to integration of 1 divided by root of a square minus x andre ಏನು sin theta, that means a square sin square theta into d theta. Here I can take a square common, integration of 1 divided by a square common ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ, a square common means in the bracket 1 minus sin square theta into d theta. Okay. 1 minus sin square means what we have, cos square, which is equal to integration of 1 divided by a, 1 minus sin square means what we have, cos square theta root into d theta. Okay. Now what is the dx value? That is also very important. Dx value is a cos theta d theta. Okay. Dx value is a cos theta d theta. Its value is a cos theta d theta. Now here also same as it is a cos theta d theta, which is equal to, here I will get here a cos theta divided by root square, we get here a into cos theta d theta. Here both the term get eliminates, the remaining part is 1, which is equal to d theta. Now integration of 1 with respect to theta means theta plus c. Now what do you mean by theta here? That we shall observe. So here x equal to what I taken, a sin theta, x by a equal to what we have, sin theta, that implies theta is equal to sin ikade ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ, sin inverse of x by a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin inverse of x by a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that means what we get here, okay, so here theta means sin inverse of x by a, I will substitute, which is equal to, that is sin inverse of x by a plus an integral constant c. What is that formula for? Integration of 1 divided by root of a square minus x square into dx. Okay, that is a required formula here. Dear students, if this question is asked in the examination for 5 marks means this property will be asked for 3 marks. Okay, then afterwards a simple problem related to that property it will be asked here. ಈಗೇನದ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 divided by root of a square plus x square dx. a square plus x square dx ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ax ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, x means we have taken here a sin theta. Okay. Here if I substitute here, if I take here, that is a square minus a square sin theta, a square common means 1 minus sin square is cos square. Our intention is to eliminate the root here. In the same manner here also I have to remove this root. How we can remove the root here is, let us take I is equal to integration of 1 divided by root of a square plus x square dx. Okay. Now here what we have to substitute? Put x is equal to a into tan theta. Put x is equal to a into tan theta. ಈಗ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಇಂಟು ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಡಿ ಟೀಟಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಟೀಟಾ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದಿದು ಟೀಟಾ ಬೆಲೆ. ಈಗ ಇವೆರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಕೆ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಡಿ ಟೀಟಾ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ root of, that is nothing but here root of x square. X square ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, a square tan square, a square tan square x. Okay, that is theta here. Now here you can take a square common, which is equal to integration of a into secant square theta divided by root of a square into 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square theta into d theta. 1 plus tan square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ, secant square ಅದ, that we shall substitute, that is a into secant square theta whole divided by a I will take outside, 1 plus tan square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, secant square theta d theta. Now here secant square root get eliminates, a get eliminates, the remaining part is secant square theta divided by secant theta into d theta. ಈಗ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೇನು ಉಳಿತಿದ್ದು ಬರೋ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಉಳ್ಕೋತದೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಟೀಟಾ ಡಿ ಟೀಟಾ. Now in the previous session we had seen about the formula for integration of tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Now what is the formula for secant? That is log of secant theta plus tan theta, okay, plus an integral constant c. Either take mod here. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ theta, all the theta I have to take into x here, but the thing is only here we are having, that is x is equal to a tan theta we have, that means tan theta means x by a, tan theta means x by a we are knowing, but we don't know the value for secant theta. What we have to do, one formula is there, that is 1 plus tan square theta. What is the formula? Secant square theta. Secant theta means what we have, that is root of 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So here that is secant theta. This value secant theta will substitute here. Okay. So what we get here, that is log of okay root of 1 plus tan square theta plus what we have, tan theta plus an integral constant c here. ಈಗ tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan theta is x equal to a tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ x by a ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which is equal to log of root of 1 plus, that is x by a, here square means x square by a square plus x by a plus an integral constant c here. Because what is the reason here, that is x is equal to a tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan theta ಅಂದರೆ that is x by a, tan theta ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ x by a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, next is which is equal to, now what we get here, which is equal to ಏನಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ LCM ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, a square plus x square divided by a square plus here x here, which is equal to log of root of a square plus x square divided by a. Why? Because root a square, that is a, plus x by a plus an integral constant c. Here we can observe that base are same, ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that is nothing but here log of root of a square plus x square plus x divided by a plus an integral constant c here. Next thing log a by b, log a by b ಅಂದರೆ log a minus log b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what we get here, that is log of x, I will write first, x plus a square plus x square plus, that is minus log a plus integral constant c. This whole together term I can take it as one integral constant, that is x plus root of, I can write it as a square plus x square, or you can write it as x square plus a square, x square plus a square, okay, plus an integral constant c, because c equal to minus log a plus c. Now here this value this formula we are having here. So therefore, what we get, integration of what we have, 1 divided by root of a square plus x square dx equal to log of, now here one more thing we are left. So here what it is, okay, log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus an integral constant c. That is your nothing but your required result here. The formula to find out the value for integration of 1 divided by x square plus a square or x square plus a square, both are the same. A square plus x square andru onde, adru ulta andru onde here. Now we shall learn about a square minus x square. Okay, that is already finished. X square minus a square we shall learn here. So before moving to that, please pause the video to note it down. Hello dear students, now let us move on to the last formula here. The last formula is, let us take I is equal to integration of 1 divided by root of x square minus a square dx. We know the formula for 1 plus tan square. What it is? 1 plus tan square x equal to what we have? Secant square x. If I take 1 on the LHS, that is secant square x I will have. Same formula I have to make use here. That is substitution na same values na substitution ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಏನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ put x is equal to a into secant theta. That means dx is equal to a, secant theta differentiation is secant theta into tan theta into d theta. Okay. Now here we have to substitute both the value here. So what we get here, which is equal to dx. dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ a into secant theta tan theta d theta whole divided by root of x square means what it is? A square secant square theta minus a square. Now here what I will take here, if I take a square common and I will take it outside, which is equal to a secant theta into tan theta into d theta whole divided by a into secant square theta minus 1. Here secant square minus 1 means just now we said it is tan square. What we have, integration of a get eliminates, secant theta tan theta whole divided by what we have, tan theta into d theta. Okay. Here secant theta integration of secant theta is, which is equal to log of secant theta plus tan theta. Now here plus an integral constant c. Now here I have to substitute both the values. Okay. Now what values you have to substitute here? Secant theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x by ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹಂಗಾರೆ tan theta ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ 1 plus tan square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, secant square theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan theta is equal to root of secant square theta minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, which is equal to log of secant theta plus root of secant square theta minus 1 plus an integral constant c, because here the reason is there. Next, the next step is, here I will substitute secant theta andre x by, that I will substitute, which is equal to log of x by a plus root of x square by a square minus 1 plus c. So here that is nothing but here log of x plus root of x by a root of x square minus a square by a square plus c, that is which is equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square, here root a square, that is nothing but here a, plus an integral constant c. Now here log a by b, log b I will take, that is log a by b means log a minus log b, that is nothing but here log of x plus root of x square minus a square minus of log a plus c. Now here what is this value? This whole thing I will take it as plus an integral constant c I will take. That means what we get here, that is log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus an integral constant c, where c means what? Minus log a plus c. Therefore integration of, what is the formula? That is 1 divided by root of x square minus a square dx equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. That is your required formula to find out integration of x square minus A square. Okay, dear students, this is all about the problems related over that is 6 important formulas are there. In the next class we shall start with the remaining 3. Okay, in the next class we shall start with the remaining 3 and the problems related to that will continue in the next session. Till that, thank you.